Hey guys, in today's video I have for you the new and improved Walmart beauty box. This time it's a Halloween theme. If you're curious to see what they put in this box, keep on watching. What's up gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. I'm Amber Meeks, and in today's video we are going to be doing the Walmart beauty box. So they changed the whole way they were doing this time. Last time I just signed up for the box. It was $5. They sent it to me, whatever. But they decided to change it up a little bit and they increased the price of the box. So I paid $9.98 for this box, and they were kind of trying to customize it a little bit more than they normally do. So I had to answer some beauty questions and stuff like that before I got the box. So they changed their process up a little bit. Not a big deal. It went up, what, 5 more bucks? Whatever, $10, okay, I'll do it. You know, because I was really impressed with my last box, so hopefully this one's even better. If they wanted me to pay more, maybe they put better stuff in here. So, without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Okay, guys, so this is what my box looks like. Not as exciting as my first box. They had a really pretty flower on there that I would like put in a frame or something, but this one just has a white flower. Downgrade on the box. Let's see what the contents look like. Okay. Ooh. Okay, Walmart. Check out that sneak peek. All right. Hello. Discover more Halloween beauty looks at Walmart. All right. Ooh, hello. Sneak peek. We have a card of the items in the box. That's an upgrade. All right, I'm loving that. Ooh. I could start big, but we're not, and I dropped an item. Oh, guys, I hate it when I do that so bad. Okay, so we have a Revlon Color Stay 528 Passionate Eyeshadow Palette. Eye palette. Okay, so look at this, guys. Great blues and the gray. I love it, love it, love it. These are definitely colors that I wear quite frequently, actually. So this is going to be for me, and I would swatch it for you if I can open it, like, without it taking too long of a time. There's nothing worse than watching somebody try to open something and they can't get it opened. Just saying. Ooh, the little eyeshadow thing fell out. Awesome. We're on a roll with this. So there's that. Let's do, ooh, yes. Oh, yes, guys. This is for me. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah. 100% gonna be a palette for moi. Love it. Ooh, this is awesome. Okay, so they have a little card, so let's use the card here. What are they saying about my little palette? So Revlon Color Stay 16-hour eyeshadow. You'll create subtle and sultry looks that stay put with 4 rich shimmery shades that don't crease, fade, or smudge. Bam! All right, so this is at Revlon. They do not have a price in here, which is okay. I mean, the fact that the card's here is pretty exciting in itself. All right, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, we have a little Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. So it looks like you only get one. Yeah, it's a single. So only get one of those in here. Everybody knows what that is. Obviously, you use it to remove your makeup. I don't need to read up on it. There you go. Okay, awesome. Ooh, pretty red. Sinful Colors Professional Polish in red. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a really pretty color. Does it say anything? No, it doesn't really say anything about it, but that's really pretty color. So what is this here? Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter. Pure gold. Okay, guys, it's a Milani. Here you go. I am not going to take this out. I'm just not a highlighter fan, guys. I don't even know what to do with it. So I'm not going to take this out because I'm most likely going to give this to my niece. This is 24 karat gold, and it is 13.5 grams. The size that they sent me. I'm not sure if that's a full size or not. I'm not really sure. It says a beauty secret you'll want to keep to yourself. This illuminator includes ultra-fine micro pearls to brighten features and give your complexion a glow that lasts all day. Pretty awesome. But I probably won't use it. So I'll probably most likely give that to my niece. Then NYX made their way into here again. So Shout Loud Satin Lipstick. Okay, here's the little tube. I don't know what color we have here. Is this going to open for me? Oh, it is. Ooh, we have a nice bright red. Bam! Look at that. Oh, yes. I'm running out of room here. Ooh, yeah. Hello, red. Okay, yeah, this is definitely... Oh, there's a little heart indentation on there. Can you guys see that? That's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing that. It's really cool. Okay, so I'm digging the color. Yeah, that's a home run. Awesome. This is clearly a full size thing. It's called Red Hot. That's your color there, Red Hot. It is red hot, let me tell you. Okay, so I dropped something. Hate it when I do that. So I'm going to pause, pick it up, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. But I hate it when I drop stuff, and I hate to bend over on camera. So, here we go. Next item. Pretty friggin' cool. Look at this. What? It's like got sparkles on it. And it's a duo set. So this is Hard Candy Glitter Ratazi. I don't know. Here you go, guys. There's your brand. I'm sure I'll pop it up for you guys should I be able to find it. And I don't see why I shouldn't be able to. But just to give you guys a better look, look at that. Sparkly. So pretty. Okay, so here we go again. Ooh. Hello. Wow. Hey, now. Wow, I can't even... Look at that. Wow. That is really awesome. Like, I really want to wear this right now. That is so cool. Okay, so let's do the other side. Oh, it goes like this. Sorry. Ooh. Hello. All right. Ooh, yes. They're very similar, though. But look. Wow. Dude, this is super fun. They say it's for Halloween. I don't wear it all the time. Why does that have to be for Halloween? It tastes good. It's supposed to taste good. It really tastes good. Wow, this is super fun, guys. So this is crushed crimson. That's what that is right there. Yeah, they're both crushed crimson. Okay, this is really awesome. You guys seeing the glitter? Ooh, I love this. Yes, this is an all-time for me. All-time lipstick. It's not just Christmas time. Why would you just wear it for Christmas? Did I say Christmas? Halloween. Whatever. Some holiday. Who wear it for Christmas too? Christmas is glitter and shine and stuff. Okay. So this is 3D glitter, glam, and shine in an instant. So it's a dual-ended, high-impact, super metallic, sparkling lipstick and glitter gloss. It offers everything you need for the ultimate beam. Guys, I really like this. This is really awesome. I'm going to have to, obviously, I'll look this up for you guys and find a price, but I really like this. This is a really awesome thing. Okay, so the last thing in here, hello, Walmart's killing it. This whole thing was $10. Just saying. So hair chalk, bam, in Sugar Plum. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so what you guys don't know about me is that I loved to play with my hair colors like back in the day. I will totally use this hair chalk because it's a temporary thing. See, I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, but that's how you use it. You just kind of press it in between your hair and, you know, change the color in whatever strips you want to. So, okay. So it comes with this little, like, foam thingamabobber, I guess you use to put it on your hair. Let's see. Sugar Plum. So why can't I use this for blush or something? Look, that looks like a blush to me. Look at that. It's right there. That looks like a blush to me. It doesn't have to be hair chalk. Why can't it be blush? I'm just saying. Could I use this on my face? I think I might. I like the color. Okay, guys, so that's it. That was my Walmart beauty box. I gotta say, Walmart seriously upped their game. I mean, like, big time. They didn't tell me the value of each item, which is okay. I can totally find that. And the good thing about the Walmart beauty box is that all of the items in there most likely can be found at Walmart. Just saying. So I'll jump on Walmart's little website. I will look up all these items and I'll put them on the screen for you guys as I'm unboxing so that you know how much everything is, should you be interested in anything in this box. Look at me making a total mess of myself. Awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have tons more unboxings coming up. Some of my super favorite all-time boxes are coming up very soon next week, so you don't want to miss any of that. And I have lots of fun, quick, easy DIYs that anybody can do, and some that most of you will probably be like, what is she thinking? So you don't want to miss any of that, so make sure you're subscribed and you click that notification bell so you don't miss any of all my upcoming videos. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? Oh, I forget. I changed my intro, and I can't remember how I want to say it. Oh, my gosh. Okay, guys, so it didn't work. Try it again. All right, so we're gonna pop this bad boy open. It just looks like so much fun. Oh no. Well, I was paused. I should have took the stickers off, huh? Didn't even realize that was gonna be an issue, but it always is, guys. And it's always the worst to watch people trying to open stuff on camera when they can't get it open, like me right now. So you know what? I am gonna pause it again and I'll be back.